What's up, y'all? It's your boy Bishop DJ. And getting myself ready for work. Going through all this coronavirus bullshit. I'm still going to work though. Still got to make that money. But anyhow, last week I ordered the Retro 3, the Carolina joints and shit just came in the mail, so I figured I got them. We'll do an unboxing real quick. There you go. Got that shit through StockX. Yeah, you gotta excuse the fact that I'm back here washing, drying clothes and shit. Like I said, everything work. But I never ordered through StockX, but everybody was telling me they're official. So I ain't gonna say how much I paid for them, but let's just say I ordered them right before they came out. Because I had a funny feeling they was gonna play games down here, which I'm gonna make a video about that another time. I feel like a lot of these stores are playing games. I got past that shit before that. You feel me? Let's go ahead and do this real quick. I like the blue box. Alright, here we go. Size 10. Let's check these motherfuckers out. Okay. So I just wanted to make you feel a little special. I ain't a pocketbook motherfucker. Gotta talk to them other dudes about that. So, alright, here we go. Johnson size 10. Got it. I know I'm probably a little late with making videos. I know other niggas have made their videos about this, but I figured why the hell not. I already got shit to go with them too. There we go. Verified authentic. So that answers my question, because I was a little funny about copping them off there, because I never bought anything. I never ordered a pair of shoes before. I always went in the store and bought my shit. Anyhow, I'm rocking these today too. I'm wearing them to work. I don't do much here when I'm in any house, so I ain't worried about fucking them up. Nice weather outside, as y'all can see. Pretty nice out. I already got a nice little outfit to go with them. In fact, hold tight. I'll show y'all something. Yeah, I saw this in the store last week. Got to rep the home team for him. Got that Raven joint. And of course, I got to rock a low joint with it. Polo. Until you see this joint. Just got finished ironing this motherfucker. So I'm going to rock this today. I made it to the top floor out the basement. Blew your advance on the bracelet. Pick a line of right. With these joints. Alright, there you go. Oops. Can't let my shit go back there. Alright, here we go. Boy Bishop is DJ. I'll rock these threes. For the mixtapes, y'all already know to check me out down below. And also check me out. I'm also on Morgan State Radio, Strictly Hip Hop, every Friday night. The first hour is me, myself, Son Zulu, and Tyler B. And of course, you know, me on the mix, ones and twos doing that thing for that real raw gutter hip hop. So make sure you check me out. You hear the music in the back. All right, y'all. Peace. Stacked 100,000, that was back in 2000. Sold a dummy brick, hurry up, nigga, count it. I need a cherry made back ASAP.